Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to check your JEE Main Center. First, navigate to the official JEE Main website. Once there, locate the latest news or candidate activity section. You'll find a prominent link specifically for downloading your admit card or checking your exam city details. Click on this link to proceed to the next step. This is crucial for confirming your examination venue. After clicking the link, you'll be taken to a secure login portal. Here, you'll need to enter your unique JEE Main application number and the password you created during registration. Double-check these details for accuracy before proceeding. This ensures you access your specific examination information without any issues. It's a straightforward process designed for your convenience. Once you've successfully logged in, your admit card will appear on the screen. This document contains vital information, including your photograph, signature, and most importantly, your assigned examination center. Carefully review all the details presented. Make sure your name and other personal information are correct. This is your official confirmation of the test location. After verifying your center, download and print at least 2 copies of your admit card. Pay close attention to the exam date, reporting time, and any specific instructions provided. These instructions often include details about items allowed or prohibited in the exam hall. Ensure you understand all guidelines to avoid any last-minute complications on exam day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.